Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Afsa if it's your first time here. I upload gardening videos every week. I garden in Scotland, which is roughly international zone 8 and 9. I have been planning to change these summer window boxes to winter window boxes. These sit in my back door entrance and they do not look very nice just now. Initially, I planted iceberg lettuce in it and sunflowers. Both of these things not been growing very well. Anytime I go past them, they do not look nice. And today I have time, so I thought I will change them and see if I can jazz them up a bit. I have some plants in my greenhouse and in my garden, enough to fill up these window boxes. But if we have to add more plants, I have been buying some clearance plants from mostly on my grocery trips, and they will come handy if we need to use them. Now I have clean up both boxes, and the sunflower has developed some roots. I've cleaned them away and I'll get rid of them. And now I have 2 of heuchera plants for each window box and a peperomia plant as well. But before I use them, I'm gonna go and check in my garden if I can find anything from there. And when I check them outside in my front flower bed, these heucheras not been doing very well. So I managed to find some plants which I've already put them in the window boxes. I've got some plants from B&Q, which I bought them on clearance. This is a pack of 6 and it's got some cyclamen, some primrose and English ivy. I will tuck them in. The cyclamen have pink flowers on them, and there's two in this pack, so I'll use one of each in the both boxes. The beauty about winter boxes, you can tuck in so many plants in there, and they will not grow as fast as in the summer months, so you can probably put loads in. And in case any of these little plants die, another one will take its place. So that's really a good idea. Normally, I'm not keen on English ivy because if you put it in the garden bed, it takes over anything it's beside it. But I think in the boxes, it won't be that bad. So I end up putting 2 evergreen, 1 white geranium, cyclamen, and primrose. And then at the end of both boxes, I put English ivy in. Most of my garden tools and boxes and planters are from Amazon. Wherever I find, I will add a link to my video description. If you want to buy it, you can buy it directly from there. Now it's nearly ready. Let's see how let's take it outside and see how it looks outside. This is sitting in my window, but it's not safe here, so I have to put it in the entrance. It looks quite nice and full, and I'm quite happy with the result. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you find these videos useful. In my next video, I will be planting some plants just for solely for medicinal purposes, and the kit I'm going to use is in the description in my video. Please come back for that. Thank you.